Find your painting style and create moments of calm as you go with the flow and learn how to paint in therapeutic watercolor. Hi, my name is Clarice, and I am going to teach you how to relax and go with the flow while learning how to paint loosely in watercolor. This is for you if you are looking to really take time for yourself by sitting down, regulating, and just also pursuing your interest in watercolor. We all need a means of expression, and watercolor is a fabulous way to express. I love providing value to you guys, and so this monthly membership is jam-packed with a bunch of things. Here's what you can expect in the Go With The Flow monthly watercolor membership. 2 exclusive monthly watercolor tutorials. These video tutorials will be ad-free and always available to you no matter when you join. Intentions with Love is a self-care prompt that will be released in the beginning of each month. It's entirely optional for you to do, but I do find if you participate in things like this, it really does help you regulate, it helps you be present, and it helps you really go with the flow when it comes to painting. So while this is entirely optional, there is a giveaway attached to it. So each month, if you participate in this and share your response in the community, your name will be entered to win a monthly prize. The prize will be determined month by month, and I'm pleased to say that all the giveaways will be related to the supplies we will be using in our class and or related to stuff I create. So stay tuned for that. By the way, being an ambassador for Princeton Brushes, I'm also able to throw in some awesome watercolor brushes up for winning in these giveaways. So you want to be a part of this. The community. So let's talk about the community. The community is a private social aspect to this membership. You're able to post your work on there if you want comments, if you want encouragement, if you want to give encouragement. I do find the more you post, the more you ask questions, other people are also encouraged and find the gumption to kind of go ahead and do that for themselves as well. At the end of the day, we're here to build each other up and grow and flow. You also get to interact with me in our monthly check-ins. Yes, each month I am going to do a live check-in with you. It's going to work very much so like a Zoom call, but within the membership/community. So you log on to the assigned time. We'll have about an hour-ish to kind of chit-chat and talk about where you're headed, what you're struggling with, if there's anything I can show you, if there's anything you would like to see. I love doing one-on-one check-ins with you guys and also meeting you face-to-face. Downloads. So downloads won't be consistent every month outside of the Pallet download. So let's talk about the Pallet download really quickly. Each month, along with the Intentions with Love, I will post our dedicated palette for the month. Now, what do I mean by post a dedicated palette? It's going to be a downloadable PDF sheet where you're able to see all the colors we will be using. Feel free to use colors that are close to it. You don't have to have exactly the colors I am using, or feel free to also mix and match your preferred colors, I would say. Yes. Sometimes you might want to mix 2 colors to get the color. And if you're a whiz like that, absolutely go for it. This document is meant to help you document the colors we're using for the month. So you can also refer to it in the future. Say you really end up liking the combination for whatever reason. It's also helpful for you to study and grow in your color combinations, which help with composition later on. Archives. So let's talk about the archives. I feel like a lot of people miss out on this. So I've been doing Patreon for a while and also subscriptions on YouTube and such. And so I have exclusive videos for at least 2 years now. All those videos will be available in this membership. So again, available to you anytime you join. Just head on to the archive section of the membership and you're able to access all these videos. And so in a nutshell, this is what you can expect in the monthly Go With The Flow watercolor membership.